Parliament's outreach and engagement tools, connecting citizens, empowering Parliament. This video highlights the main ways in which the public can connect with the Namibian Parliament and how Parliament engages with the public through traditional methods. Public participation in the democratic process should not begin and end with casting a ballot. There are a variety of options for civil society groups and individuals to bring their views before parliamentarians. There are several ways and tools that will be explored here. These tools are sittings, lobbying, petitioning, and oral presentations. Parliament, from its end, organizes public hearings, opens the House for visits, tours the country, and conducts outreach programs for schools and fairs. Members of the public can attend sittings of the parliamentarians. A sitting is the daily meeting of either house. At the end of each sitting day, the House adjourns, pauses until the next sitting. To understand how Parliament works and to see how key issues are being addressed, members of the public can attend sittings of the National Assembly and the National Council. The public can be present at public hearings of standing committees. Additionally, civil society groups and individuals can make representations at public hearings. Such hearings, which can be held at Parliament or at various locations around the country, give the public a chance to comment on draft bills and other issues of national importance that might have been referred to a committee. Public participation in the legislation process can be done through the public can engage in lobbying. Lobbying parliamentarians involves efforts by individuals or groups to influence the decisions and actions of legislators. This process can be conducted by a variety of stakeholders, including businesses, civil society organizations, and various advocacy groups. Members of Parliament in both the National Assembly and National Council should be responsive to public concerns and requests about legislation and other national issues. A member of the public or civil society group can contact the national councillor who represents her or his region. The National Assembly members of Parliament do not serve geographical constituencies. Political parties represented in the National Assembly have offices in Parliament where they can meet members of the public. National Council members of Parliament have also offices in their regions. Some key aspects of lobbying parliamentarians include lobbying to influence legislation. Lobbyists seek to persuade legislators to support, oppose, or amend proposed legislation. Raise awareness. They aim to inform parliamentarians about issues that may not be on their radar. Provide expertise. Lobbyists often provide detailed information and expertise that legislators may not have, helping them make informed decisions. The petition must be respectful, moderate, and free of defamatory statements. A petition is a formal written request submitted to Parliament by an individual or group of individuals. It aims to bring issues or grievances to the attention of Parliament, requesting legislative or other appropriate action. Citizens have the right to petition both houses of Parliament on any matter of public interest. Depending on the house the petition is addressed to, different rules might apply. But in general, the public must follow certain requirements regarding the form and standards of petitions, such as language, signatories, not containing irrelevant or defamatory statements. The petition must be respectful and moderate. Once submitted, Parliament must follow standard rules that set out the procedures on how to deal with the petition. These procedures include lodging of petitions, tabling of petitions, referral of petitions to standing or select committees, followed by a report back to the full council or assembly, and finally, providing feedback on the petition to the petitioner or petitioners. Petitions can also be dismissed by Parliament according to the standing rules and orders of the houses. The petitioner or petitioners may contact the office of the Ombudsman if they believe their petition has been mishandled by either the National Assembly or National Council. Abuse of the right to petition is defined by the standing rules of Parliament. There are also rules set out related to progress reports and lapsing of petition. The public can engage through oral presentations. Oral submissions give members of the public a chance to reinforce what he or she has to state in the written submission and allow the committee to clarify points raised in the submission. If the committee has decided to hear her or his submission, the committee secretary will contact the submitter to make arrangement to hear the oral submission. The public can engage through expert opinions. The public can inform lawmakers about real-world impacts which can lead to more balanced, inclusive decisions, can empower parliamentary committees with a wealth of knowledge and diverse viewpoints. This results in more well-rounded and effective legislation as it allows lawmakers to consider various perspectives, especially on complex issues like climate change, healthcare, or digital change. The public can engage with its representatives. MPs in Parliament represent the best interest of citizens through electoral and representative democracy. The public can obtain reports and findings. Reports from committees are available to the public, ensuring transparency.